Hi CIT 106 students. Welcome to our Word module. So we have spent the last several weeks talking about Microsoft Excel, and the good news is the hard part's done. We're moving on to Microsoft Word, and it becomes a little bit easier because there are a lot of the same features. So this week what we are going to do, our learning objectives for this week are we're going to create, save, and print Word documents, just some of the basics. Format and edit a multi-page document, something that you will use in college when you're doing your papers. And we're going to check documents using some of the proofreading tools that we have available to us in Microsoft Word. And then the final learning objective is to create a business document using templates that are on there. Sometimes people don't know about all the templates that are there and that you can use in our big time saver for you. So some of the things that we learned in Excel are very similar to those that we are going to use in Word. The toolbars, the groupings, the groups up top, and then some of the editing features, changing colors, bolding, those are all very similar. So you already know that stuff, so it's going to save you some time. And then saving and printing, that's also the same. Something that's a little bit different are creating tables. You can do that in Word as well. Typing is going to be a little bit different because you have a little bit more editing that you need to do to some of that text to format it correctly. We're not just typing in cells anymore. And then a lot more options to insert. We can insert different tables. We can insert from Excel. We can insert pictures. We can insert charts, flow charts, all different kinds of things. So there are a lot of different features that we can use that are a little bit different. So why do I need to know this? Well, as you probably know, starting out in college, you have a lot of papers that you have to write for your different classes, and it's important that you know how to format those correctly. So this part of the class is going to help teach you that. And there are a lot of templates out there that will help you to format correctly and ways to cite your sources that maybe you don't know about, so some time savers that can help you. This is something, a word processing software, whether it's Microsoft Word or something else, that people use every day in the workplace. I know it's something I use as a teacher and as a manager. I use that every single day in some capacity. And sometimes it's a matter of typing something in Word and saving it in OneNote or in Outlook, very compatible, and a lot of those programs are very similar to Word. So it's important that you know how to do that and to format documents, use some of those templates, which we're going to learn this week. So for this week, you are going to spend a little bit of time doing some reading in your textbook, pages 509 to 571, and you're going to do the MyITLab skill-based practice. That will be part of your grade. And then you're going to watch some videos on Microsoft Word Basics. Those are under resources. And then the final thing you're going to do this week is go into your forum posting, and you are going to post a forum posting telling us 3 different ways that you use Microsoft Word, and then you need to reply to at least 2 students' posts. And I want you to give them some examples or some more information on how they can use those. For example, if a student says, well, I use mine to create papers, then what you may come back and say is, well, did you know there's these templates or these resources to be able to create your works cited page? So give them some more information, maybe something you know that they don't already know, and maybe they do know it, but just sharing with other people. So you are going to give 2 examples of how you use Microsoft Word or how you will use it in the future, and then reply to at least 2 students' posts as well. I hope you enjoy learning Word and these basics, and hopefully you learn something that you don't already know. I know a lot of people think I know everything there is to know about Microsoft Word. There are so many tools and different things you can use. So I hope you enjoy this week, and I look forward to talking with you next week. Have a great week. Thanks.